what do the lights mean on your Makita charger? So let's go through. Let's first take this off. As you can see here, we have a green flashing light, and we look up here. This means your charger is ready to charge and accept a battery. So once you put a battery in, the steady red light, if you look here, means your battery is charging. If this was flashing red, so pulsing red like that, you'd look here, and this is a heat symbol, and this means your battery is either too hot or too cold. The battery isn't broken, it just needs to come to ambient temperature to start charging. So if your room's super cold, or you've been using the battery in super cold conditions or super warm conditions, let it come to ordinary temperature, and it should then get a steady red light and start to charge. If you come to the charger and it's a red and green light indicated here, now this is a little more confusing to people. This indicates that the battery is over 80% charged. So you could, theoretically, start using the battery. If we have a solid green line, come up here, and this indicates the battery is fully charged. Now if we have a flashing red and a flashing green light at the same time, this means that the battery is defected. Now, first things first, take the battery off. Make sure these terminals are clean, the terminals here are clean. Reseat it and make sure it's seated proper with a nice click. If that doesn't fix the red and green flashing symbol, it's highly likely your battery is defected. So hopefully that helps you out what all the battery light symbols mean on your Makita charger. If it does, help me out by smashing that like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.